Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is choose sample t-test, unequal variance, using Excel Analysis Toolpak 2. So here, guys, we will not go to the theory of hypothesis tests. We have a full playlist on that, so enjoy it. And when do we use it? When the assumption of equal population variance is not met for the two sample t-test with equal variance, or that is the most important, when you don't have enough evidence to know whether it holds. So, okay, it doesn't have the same equal variance, or I have no idea. Then you should consider using a modified version of the t-test. Excel function here, the t-tests R1, R2, tails, and type. We will go on that later. For the toolpak, we have 5 tests. Which one we will be using? Choose sample t-test for means, variance, unknown, assumed, unequal. So here we are assuming that they are unequal. Okay? So let's go to our Excel file. So here, let's zoom in. We have here 2 stores, store 1 and store 2. We grab 20 days of sales. Here, wow, apparently, so 2 means here 59 and 41. So we are assuming here, if it is one tail test, the H0, the store 1 is lower or equal to store 2. So if we reject it, then store 1 is greater. So here, 59 will be statistically greater than the 41. Or 2 tails, the stores are the same. So let's here have a clue about the variance. So let's go on the population variance. Or, sorry, the sample variance. Var S 80 and 33. Yes, they are different, so they are not equal. So, okay, let's do it. Data analysis. What if we don't have data analysis here? File, options, add-ins, Excel add-ins, go, Analysis Toolpak. So, okay, let's do it. Analysis Toolpak, t-test, choose sample assuming unequal variance. What I need? First range, second range. We select both labels. So we click here. It's unchecked for default label. Alpha is our significance. So our alpha 005. So to reject our null hypothesis or hypothesis 0, our p-value must be lower than 0.05. And our output, instead of new worksheet, let's come here. Whoops. Let's come here, for instance. Or here, that is larger cell. And okay, here we are. So variance, they are different. The mean, they are right. Observations. And here, this is the numbers that we need. The p-value for one tail, for this one tail here. So let's go on 1 asterisk. So the 1 asterisk here, we reject H0. So yes, this number is greater. And then here, 2 tail, the second one, again, lower than. So we also reject H0. Or we can move them here. Or we can do that without going here on this scenario with the t-test. The t-test, I think it's better. It's not a fancy report like this one. But here, if we change some number, nothing will change here. Okay, and the t-test, it changes. So first, for the one tail test, so equal t-test. R1, no label anymore, comma, array 2, comma, here 1 is one tail, 2 tails, so 1. And then period, choose sample equal variance. No, choose sample unequal variance. That is what we want, the 3. 0.03. Look, the number doesn't match entirely. Why? Because here on the Toolpak, Excel rounds some numbers, especially the degree of freedom. Okay, so that is why. So this number technically is more accurate, but the difference will be on the 4th or 5th decimal, so it will not change your conclusion. So here, let's go on yellow, and let's take the second one as a green. So here, so let's copy and paste here, but the difference is here, instead of 1, 2 tail distribution, D26. So we reject the null hypothesis here. Easy, huh? Easy when we know what we are doing. So guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave them here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.